Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update process. Check the current version and export your task list so you can restore if needed. Once done, ensure you have administrator rights and a stable network connection, ideally 5 Mbps or higher, and connect power to avoid interruptions. Make sure conflicting apps are closed and running tasks are saved. Now open the update utility or package. Start the installer and follow the initial prompts to proceed into the core update steps. You now handle the detailed execution. Run the installer and select upgrade if you want to preserve existing settings, or clean install for a fresh start. During migration, choose preserve settings, map custom fields, and import any CSV exports you created earlier. Monitor the installer logs for dependency warnings or permission issues and resolve them before the process continues. If prompted, re-enter API keys or reauthorize integrations. Take your time with mappings so task metadata and deadlines remain accurate post-update. To finish, restart the Task Manager service or application and verify the displayed version and a sample of task records for integrity. Once running, re-enable integrations and run quick test workflows to confirm triggers and notifications operate correctly. Check system logs for errors and ensure scheduled tasks still fire. If something goes wrong, stop and restore your exported backup. Then review the installer log to identify the root cause. Fix the specific dependency or permission issue, and retry the update with that correction in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.